Hey guys, are you thinking about launching a product on Amazon Japan? Well, stop right now. You have to watch this video. Otherwise, you may be making a $10,000 mistake. Today, we're going to go over product market fit analysis, how to know whether your product will sell in Japan or is it going to be a major flop. And today, we're going to use a tool called PickFu. And this is a way that you can really validate whether your product will sell in Japan or not to a real Japanese audience. All right. If you want to follow along and try this for your own product, you can sign up for PickFu using the discounted link below the video. All right. This could be a great investment that you make before launching and it'll help you avoid a lot of mistakes. All right. So in this case study, we're going to use CozyPhones. This is a US kids headphones product, and they've sold over 1 million units in the US alone. Not $1 million, 1 million units. So they're quite successful, and they're thinking about expanding into Amazon Japan. But the question right now is, will the product sell in Japan? So if you're a brand thinking about expanding into Japan, please watch this video before you launch. All right. We also created a selling in Japan Amazon scorecard. So if you want to evaluate your product's potential success in Japan, you can download the free scorecard link below the video. All right. So this is their product on Amazon US, and you can see the main image here. So what we're going to do is we're going to Amazon Japan, and we're going to type in the same keyword, kids wireless Bluetooth headphones, and then you can see the results, right? So these are the sponsored products, and these are the top organic rankings. So what I did is I'm going to pick the top 3 Japanese competitors, and we're going to do a head-to-head test. Which headphones will Japanese shoppers pick? The CozyPhones headphone from the US, like the Panda one here, or the top 3 Japanese competitors. All right. So what we do is we can copy and paste all of the images and then put them into PickFu. Okay. So you can kind of see here, this is how the poll works. Even if you don't speak any Japanese, you can still do this. All right. So this is the head-to-head poll with CozyPhones compared to the top 3 Japanese competitors. All right. And you can see the cool part about this is they actually have real Japanese shoppers that will vote on this. And the poll is very fast. You can see we had run a poll to 30 people and it was completed in 1 hour and 53 seconds. So basically 1 hour and you're done. All right. So let's take a look at the results. Okay. So actually, why I say you should watch this video and not launch without running a poll is you can see that CozyPhones actually came in 4th place among the 4, which is last. Okay, and let's look at the reasons why. Right, option B are these cat headphones, option C are the red JBLs, and option D are these purple headphones. All right, so you can see here the poll results. They actually come in Japanese, right? So these are like the real reasons why people picked each option. And the cool part about PickFu is everything can just be automatically translated into English, right? So in this case, you can see option A is CozyPhones. Only 3 people chose, 3 out of 30 chose CozyPhones. And you can see this person said, I liked option A, which I thought was the best because I thought each animal is cute and the children would enjoy it. So that's one thing they have going for them. Second is because they are still young, and I thought they would prefer animals and shiny things. And 3 is it doesn't look like it would easily come off the first year. The girlish color is subordinate. So only 3 people out of 30. But let's look at the other votes, right? Option B is the winner, like the cat headphones. They had 15 responses, right? So I'm just going to highlight a couple of them. Simple and easy to use, ranked in order of the color shade that the child likes. B and D are first because the coloring is suitable for children, plus B has cute ears. Third is C because it looks like the coloring is mature, and A looks like a toy, so it's not useful. So some people think like the CozyPhones headphones look like a toy, so they don't like it. B has cat ears and sparkles. A is good pink and light blue headphones. All right. And then this person chose B because it has cat ears, and then they thought the child would like it. And A, because it has pandas, I thought my child would like it because he also likes pandas. Okay, so the pandas are a thing, but you can see overall we're not choosing it. And if we just look at a couple of other highlights, person chose C, I chose JBL because they seem to have the best sound quality. And also I thought it would last longer if it didn't have any unnecessary decorations. And in terms of second place winner, option D, I chose these headphones in order to be appropriate for a little girl. I asked my wife to look at the survey with me and discuss it with her. I think this order is appropriate because her opinion was almost the same. Um, I chose option D because it's very pretty, seems to have a good feel without damaging the ears. Okay, A doesn't interest me because I think my child will get bored with it quickly. So some people feel like, maybe the like this bandana type headphone, kids will get bored with it. Maybe they prefer like the traditional like over the ear headphones. All right. So we can see overall, these are the reasons why CozyPhones actually lost, right? I mean, we can see like the reasons why they would choose. So the conclusion, all right. So based on this poll, guys, CozyPhones would likely fail in its current form if they launched in Japan, right? If they did, send in a shipment of let's say 500 units and then invested in, like the shipping costs and like getting all the listings done and all of the image localization, etc. I mean, we're looking at probably a $10,000 investment, right? And I'm glad that we ran this poll. So it's not to say it's game over for CozyPhones. They have to make some modifications, right? I mean, they have to address the issue, like, maybe the pictures aren't really, illustrating how it works. And, some people think it's a toy. They have to address like all of the feedback and the concerns voiced in this poll. All right. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. The key takeaway is you don't want to launch in Japan without doing the product market fit analysis first. And one of the best ways to do that is using a tool, PickFu. And if you want to assess whether your product is going to sell in Japan, I also highly recommend you grab the free scorecard linked below. And don't forget to sign up for PickFu using our discount. It's the most affordable way to validate your product and avoid costly mistakes. All right, next step, guys. If you haven't already, watch our 60-minute free training on how to sell on Amazon Japan, which covers everything you need to know to succeed. All right. This is only one part of the puzzle. There's literally 6 bridges that you have to cross. All right. My name is Gary Huang, brought to you by 7-Figure Seller Japan Mastermind. And if you have any questions or anything I can do to help sell in Japan, let me know. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk soon.